Man, get on there. No! Our tiny adapters must win battle for. Aha! The easy part. Alright, let me see here. Always the right and the wrong way. No! It won't reach! Obviously it was the right way. Like a glove. Where the hell is this going? Right there. Get in that spot. Hell, where's this tiny piece of oh. Over here. And you know, we got the audio for the jams. Gotta have the music. What the hell is this? This is USB probably or some shit. And if your ass is really impatient like me, you gotta have USB-C, because that makes shit go fast. If I can get it in there, yeah. What good's the jams without the CD drive? I could get it in there somehow. You see, this is just the worst shit ever. When you're trying to line it up with the screw, so you can listen to your CD with Brooks and Dunn on it. Whoop its ass. Get it to fit. And I just gotta figure out how this goes in here. Oh, maybe it goes in the front. Let's try that. Yeah. Grab this. Clips. Front panel. Now we just gotta get these cables hooked up. That one. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Now I just gotta get this here. What is this? Hard drive. Fit. I think it was on the other. Damn it. My brain. Oh! I must have took this off. That's okay. And get something to hold that. Get what is the? Oh, it's upside down. Well, now that we got the hard drive mounted, you see that dangly wire? You know, when it spins, it's just going to go, ah, right? So what we need is zip tie. That can dangle all at once, but it ain't touching the fan. Alright. Nice and even. Make sure to tighten this back screw too. If it'll go in. And now that all this is done, now we got to do our power supply. Just like everything else, it just screws in. Alright, moment of truth. Power. Let's get this here, HDMI, keyboard, mouse. Wait, it's got a light. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's booting. looks like it's working good to me.